I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay. On the canvas and
Hello, this is Tina and welcome to another episode of Tina Tries, and today nandito tayo sa Shira's
painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburnt wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Apollo, all the colors
sila dito. Swipe mo lang, di ba? Parang walang cellphone. Ito ba? Ha? Social. Okay, game. Some guy na po. Take out ito mo yan. Hello! So for today, nag-order tayo ng carbonara, ng artichoke dip, and try natin ang kanilang pistachio cake. And si Ate Jam nag-order na
Uji.
Uji matcha.
Uji. Uji matcha.
Spelling.
Uji, walang F. Sa matcha, bye.
Bar? Matcha bar. Uji. Ito talaga. Uji matcha. Tama ba? And peanut butter oat natin. Okay, let's try.
kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor, a burning negro like bridges did on Daphne. Turn and live.
Na-try na natin ito dati, di ba? Matagal na. Siguro mga 2019, tama ba? Or 2020. So, regular na kami sa Shira's, dun sa kanilang Pillar branch. Gusto namin dun kasi tabi ng simbahan, maganda yung lugar. Try natin yung kanilang carbonara. Very creamy, buttery, and masarap yung blend. Sarap, halos ko. Bagay sa carbonara nila. Medyo matamis. Medyo nasa sweet side. Sarap lang garlic. Try natin ang kanilang artichoke, nacho artichoke dip. May garlic. Ang anghang. Ang anghang ka. May garlic, may oil, may parmesan cheese. Masarap siya pero wala naman ano, para sa akin. Ay. Natural lang. Parang si ano, parang si Lita. Oh, ano? Asal. Sarap din.
Lasang peanut talaga. This is peanut butter oat latte.
Lasang matcha din siya.
May peanuts. Para siyang ground.
Ano lang din, nasa sweeter side.
Sweet nga.
Try natin ha. Pistachio
The pistachio cake.
cake. Ilalim.
Chocolate cake yan.
Chocolate cake, chocolate mousse.
Pistachio mousse and kanafe. Masarap Eya. Uy, masarap. Nakita ko yung mukha ni Eya. Eya approve.
Cake na. Ang daming layers.
Kasi iba brownies.
Sarap nung na ano.
Yung original brownies.
Sarap.
Rate mo. Ilan?
Isa 8 out of 10.
Basta mo. Parang kumakain ng Toblerone. Okay.
On